It's an honor to have with us today Mr. Revon DSilva, Executive Vice President, India Leader for Cloud and Custom GBL, Capgemini. Welcome, sir. Sir, can you tell us about Cloud and Custom application at Capgemini? We are also keen to hear your thoughts on how this initiative will benefit your business and students.
When clients have very custom problems, they come to Cloud and Custom Apps business line for very tailored solutions. Solutions where you have to write each and every line of the algorithm. What we do out here is we build custom solutions along with our hyperscalers to cater to our clients' needs. This initiative that we have created, this experience lab that we have created, is to unlock the possibilities. How? We want to prepare the future. We want to invest in the future, and that's where we want to invest in the students out here so that we can prepare them through a very immersive way of teaching them so that they can get engaged in problem solving, in technology understanding, and more importantly, to understand the culture of the organization.